Hello, Professor Nolan here again. So I have the microgreen kits all together. I just want to show you what to expect for those of you who are picking up. So you're going to see two boxes. We have the soil, and it's labeled soil. Brown paper bag, as I mentioned. So you'll want to grab one of these. This is enough soil to fill 2 of your trays. And then here's the box of trays here. So you want to take a pair of trays. Make sure you have 2, so you can do 2 at once. Right? So once you get home, you will separate them and fill both trays with soil. And then you'll want to grab your seeds. So I have them labeled here. These packets in the middle have all 3 types. So we have sunflowers, radish, and arugula. And then over here I have extra seeds. I packaged too many. They're labeled sunflower, arugula, and radish. Sometimes all 3. And at the bottom here I have, I put the arugula in these vials because they're much smaller. And I just had these available. So there's the arugula seeds. That should be enough to sow about 6 plugs, so about half a tray. So you could do 1 tray of sunflower, 1 tray with half arugula and half radish, for example. So feel free to grab a packet of extra seeds if you'd like. There are some extras that are there's one that's just radish, there's a couple that are just sunflower. So at the bottom there's just arugula. If you do want some extra seeds, those are available. So I hope you enjoy your microgreen kit, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, bye.